I'm
Madam.
sorry. Okay. Sorry about that. I've been busy.
Okay.
I didn't
So
take
GJ is going nice. What do you say? You took
UJ.
it right?
No, I took UJ, not GJ. UJ.
Why?
USD.
Okay, you choose one. Okay. I
I
send it to
chose
the
one.
VIP. I send it to the.
Yes, I should.
I send it to the VIP, right? So call it to. So this is a nice move. We are looking at our price to take out this. This is my drawn liquidity for GJ. So you can't get. Don't jump. Don't enter this trade though. It has gone far. So there's no way you want to enter a moving vehicle. So we have a supply here. Let's see if the supply will hold price. But me, I'm still looking, though price will react. When you get to the supply, it will react. But that reaction may be a break. So this is GJ. GJ is going up, it's going fine. I pointed out yesterday, and I believe many of us take the trade. The another one is the UJ. Also, this one is going fine. UJ is going fine. Just that the momentum on UJ dollar is kind of not too strong like pound. So, but this is a nice trade also. I point this place out during the live session, and I said, okay, we are looking at to buy here. So, and I can see that price is going on smoothly again. So so currently, this week so far, the three trade, only this one is just crumbling first. This GBP card. And the reason is that both pounds and card is that they have the same strength. So they're just dragging each other. So I'm still holding this trade. I'm still believing that this trade will come down here. So I'm still holding this trade. Let's see. The two will keep profit. You enter this profit. So let's see. I'm still hoping that G card will roll down to this liquidity. Liquidity must be taken. Liquidity here. So this guy, I'm hoping to target. So if you are still on the trade, you can still hold this trade, or if you are tired of this rigmarole that is doing up and down, you can take your profit and go away. But me, I will see to the end to this direction. So this week so far, I think this trade, we enter this trade on Tuesday. So these are the three trades that we are crawling in now. And the tree is active from the VIP session, the card GBP, JPY. This one, wow, this guy has done this guy has done 125 pips from our entry. That's a nice one. So this is trade number 2. Trade number 3 is the UJ. So the 3 is doing well. I think we have done. So I also another trade that delivers successfully, that works successfully, is Euro USD. I told you yesterday that we have already, see, look at it. This is where we have a character change. We go to 30 minutes. Price came to demand, tap into demand. Then we have this change, this low, sweep this low. Then this is how I analyzed yesterday. So sweep this low, then give us a break. And I said this place, look for a buy opportunity from here. So, and what happened? Price came tapping at least about 50 pips even before this. So I'm still looking at this guy upside for euro. So today now we are having on euro monetary policy statement. So rate. So there's a rumor that there will be interest rate cut on euro. So that news is come by 115, by 130. We have unemployment claims. Then 145, we have Bank of press conference. So if euro, this is going to have great impact on euro, like that of Canada, that of CAD yesterday. Look at CAD. So CAD came out as neutral, and that is why the strength on CAD still maintain its position. So you can see. So today now, looking at euro, we want to see if there's a rate cut, then we have lesser than 2.15%. And if it still come out the same neutral, euro will still continue its bull. So euro USD, we will hold on euro USD until the rate cut is over, and let's see how the news is over by 130. So if you are on this trade, maybe before then you can take profits and stay away from the market and see what the market will do. So overall, from 4 hours, so euro is still pushing up, demand is in control. You can see how price is respecting demand, demand is in control. So what are we saying? We continue to look for bullish opportunity on euro. So continue looking at bullish opportunity on euro until we have a change from maybe this low of 4 hours. If you give us a change here, then we can consider bearish on this guy. So without price being violated this low, then we are still what? Much bullish on euro. We continue bullish, just that the market is not even moving. All this euro and USD something. Market is just ranging between these things. Apologies for the network interruptions. Continue. So from daily time frame, the bull are still in control of Euro USD. And so we'll just stick to that until we have otherwise. So if you are trading Euro, just continue looking for a bullish scenario. But this guy is still open though. So anytime price set to this zone, a buy will occur. So I will leave this zone like this because here we have shift in market structure, and here for price shift here, we have this demand zone that has not been mitigated. So anytime we see price selling down, then this place will be a key place for us to look for a long opportunity. So there's nothing much on Euro for now. There's nothing more. If we want to go to smaller time frame, that maybe 15 minutes to look for day trading. Okay. So let's check. If you want to, for those of us that do day trading, these guys I don't like all the price action. So we have, so this one has done. So maybe in this tiny place. So if as price come, that's 15 minutes, this 15-minute time frame for day trading. So maybe as price come here, then you can also look for what? A buy from here to go long. So that should be after the news. So I will be watching this low here and see the reaction. That is after the rate cut, the rate news. GBP USD, G is also bullish. G is also bullish, seriously, right? So we have this high is a drawn liquidity. We have this liquidity that formed there. So I'm expecting a sweep of this high. Then if we have a sweep of this high, the price fail to close above this high. So that can bring, we can have G set to this direction. Now he also gave us some liquidity, SESA liquidity also formed. So we also have some SESA liquidity. So which it means that if you have a rejection on 4 hours and week out liquidity grab, if we have a liquidity grab above here, then price will have a sell that will take price to some of this, take all these lows. You can see equal low here, relative equal low, liquidity, some equal, relative equal low liquidities. So that is it. So that is what I am seeing. So we have some relative equal low. So a grab of liquidity above here, then a bearish evidence. We can look for a sell. Then we look for a sell. Then we can take price some of these lows. Because all these lows here, you can see they are all liquidity, and we have a demand that is here. After we have this break of structure, price rally or he left this relative equal low, so which should be a demand. So here, so you can look for a sell from that place to here. Here may bounce price again. So that place is very, very key. That's why I leave it open. Let me see. So for now, there's nothing we can do unless price come back here before grabbing liquidity. Price come back here, So we can look for what? A bullish evidence to come and grab this liquidity. So these are the two scenarios that we'll be watching on GU. Is whether price first come up here to grab liquidity and give me a sell rejection, I will sell to this place, or price come down here, sweep this liquidity, then give me a bullish evidence, then I can buy to that level. So these are my view for GU. So it means for now, I will just leave GU to do its own things. Then we'll move to gold. Gold. Yeah, let me just go to smaller time frame and point it out. So gold now, gold. We bust these two bust, this resistance and support yesterday, and we are looking at. So what I'm seeing now, we have price close above this resistance zone and retest. So gold, anyone that want to take a risk, if you want to take a risk, I think that is about 200 pips risk. So at least you can just take your short on gold like this. So if you want to take some risk, you can take some short on gold. But for me, I have for this week now. For this
Mr.
week,
Bar, excuse me, sir. Short
okay?
or long? You are saying short.
Long. So I'll take
Yes,
your
sir.
long. Sorry, thank you for that. So if you want to take your chances, so you are longy, it means that you just buy immediately now as I'm talking, then your stop loss will be below here. That is if you are ready, because we have this price, we have price breakouts, retest, come back here now. We have another breakout trading above this range. So, but for me, I'm not ready to sell gold, to buy gold for now, because I'm already on some trades which are positive. So I don't like to greedy. Greedy is another thing that kill person. So I'm not buying gold, but if you willing to buy, everything is risk. So this guy is good to buy now. It's good. Good to, let me see. Okay, it's good to buy. Why? We are sweep Asia liquidity. So price has given us what? Low of the. Now I've dropped to 5 minutes. The reason why I'm drawing to 5 all this time frame just because of you people. And otherwise, now we have Asia low sweat. Price, we are in a bullish market. Price has been bearish. Now price has returned to bullish. Asia low has been sweat. On 5 minutes, we have what? We have our change here. So we have our change. Then we can so I can tell you that 70% that I'm seeing this market to bullish. So that I said is good. In fact, if you buy immediately, I have seen you'll be like in some dollars already. So that is good. That is good. If you have the mind, you can go to go. Maybe just target this high here. But just as not to, I love at least 1:2. 1:2. So this is my take on gold. So this is a live call but your stop loss. If this guy come to hit your stop loss, this is about 122. That should be about $12. If you use 0.01, that's about $12 risk. So please figure your risk. If it's something that you can take the risk, you can take the trade. But if your mind no carry on, just leave it JJ. Then 2, which means if you are risking $12, you want to gain about $25 if you go your way. So that is good. We are in a good trend, and in the directions, all things pointing out that we have created the low of the day. Price has moved, recorrections. Now, so I'm even happy that price has swept the low of the day, Asia low. You can see how price came back, swept Asia low here. What do you see? Boom, price pump up. So that is it. So that is good. Let's move forward to other currency pair. Here, I'll still leave this guy open. I'm waiting the day price will price down. I'm still seeing this low double bottom there. So where you like. So let's say there's a liquidity here. So like price is grabbing liquidity above that high. Price is grabbing liquidity above that high. So price is grabbing liquidity above this high. So let's see the reactions. I'm waiting for the day price will close above here. I'll be so happy. So price is grabbing liquidity. This is NZD USD. Okay. So you can see how price is moving inside this rising channel. So I just want to see. I don't like the channel is too close for my likeness. So I'm seeing how reactions will be here. So we are seeing price, how price is rejecting. So can you give us? So now for us to have a short is sell, we need price to close below that low. So that will give us. So now that price has grabbed, you can see price grab liquidity, price trade down. Again, it's coming back again. The buyers are struggling to close price above this zone. So that's how you are seeing a lot of grabbing, rejection, a lot of grabbing, rejection. And when you are seeing with rejection, then it can become a change here. So if we have NZD USD close below this low in 1 hour, then we can look for a short, maybe back to this trend line here. The stop loss will be above here. So we have some liquidity that already formed or got this low. So let's see. So best way we look at how price will react here. So there's nothing to do here. That's the truth. Price is ranging. Let's see what price we do. Fake out, come back, retest. Then we can sell. Can do some sell. Maybe around there. Grab around some 60 pips down there. And if you continue, then we can look for price. Continue to this zone. So that is my take on NZD USD. AU. So let's do that of AU from higher time frame. So AU still have some liquidity to grab, right? We still have this relative double top here. So we still have a upper place to swing to. So when this guy is price, this is where I want to buy from. Price is not yet there. So we see maybe when price grab liquidity there. I hate this price action. See what is happening here. So if you see a liquidity grab here, I tell you, I will look for a sell. I will look for a sell. Maybe back to this. We have a lot of places that price will come back to retest. So currently, this is the medium of 4 hours that we are seeing. So price is currently creating sell side liquidity, which is external liquidity. for us because price is bullish. This is an internal liquidity. So when price grab, if price fail to come maybe to this low, to this other block, then push up. So price can either do first what? Push up, grab liquidity, and reject it back, give us a change of characters in 30 minutes, look for a sell back to this other block. This other block, I'm holding each other block as very high esteem. Why? Because look at it, we have price go up, price come down, we have price giving us what? A break of structure. So here we have this clearly break of structure. And this is the origin that called the break of structure. So the origin has not been retested, though the imbalance has been refilled, and which give us a sloping of liquidity. So this guy, there are a lot of buyers that's waiting here. So we are waiting here where price is here. So when price come here, I tell you, there will be a kind of a bounce. So we are waiting. So first thing now, we want to see what price we do. A liquidity, external liquidity above us and internal liquidity below us. So price first take out internal liquidity, we look for a change of character and sell to internal liquidity. And if price come to internal liquidity, then we look for a change of character and buy to external liquidity. So for now, on this guy, there's no trade. Yes, my trade is working out. I love what is going on USD CAD. So you can see we have break structure, clearly break of structure. Take profit here, book profits are waiting our break of structure. So now where's our range now? This is our high. Now it will become what? Our low. For now, our fractal low. So this is our daily range on 4 hours. So what do we want to see? We want to see price into internal. Price has given us liquidity here. This is liquidity or an inducement. Price to this, then we can look for what? A continue bearish on the USD CAD. So that this one is very straightforward. We still remain bearish until price break above this 4 hour range, close above, then this will now become a bearish, a bullish. But as long as price is still below this high, we are still bearish. So here is the a supply zone that we could see price. You can see we have internal break, we have this other block, we stand that break structure. So now here we know who price will react here. This imbalance, this supply will not hold price. I tell you, if you are selling here, you will lose money because it will not hold price. It can react, but price will bounce up. So they have that is the secret. They have created an inducement above on that place. So that inducement is a good thing for. I love to see all these kind of reactions. So eyes on GCAD, USD share. USD share is doing well. Price is failing to, I'm looking at USD share to come to this very low, but I'm also mistaken. This is a daily order block. You can see how price is mitigating it already. So it's because I was just refining it. So price is currently acting to a daily order block, which is good. So all I need now, I just need a direction. I don't love what price is doing now. So all we need to see price close. So this is you can see we have a very good target. If price give us a change of character 4 hours above this high. So if we have price close above this high, that will give us a bullish evidence on when price begin to create what's telling us that USD which means that strength is back on USD gradually. So I can see now that price is just taking liquidity, price has taken liquidity here. We have a break of structure. Now it has given us a low, a high. So this is the last standing high. Us a lower high. So I'll give us a lower high. All we need now, we need price to close above here. Then we reprice, and then we take our shots. We will buy. So it's not ready now. It's not ready. Patient is key. USDJPY. This guys. So this was already analyzed, and we are currently on this trade. We are in how many pips now? This guy is giving about 40 to 43 pips in profit. So let's see. This is my drawn liquidity, and let's see how this guy will go. Price, this 4-hour range, if price close above here, then this guy will now become a full-fledged bullish. As price close above here, you can come back there, you can have to position and continue up. So that is my focus on USDJPY. Let's see how that will go. Please, those of us on this trade, once you are 50 pips at profit, move your stop loss to break even or secure 20 pips profit, right? Because tomorrow is NFP, and if NFP is bad, JPY will gain strength. So that we will not just lose all the profits you have made. Likewise, DJ, I believe by now you should have moved, secure a good profit on GJ. If you take DJ, so GJ now we are currently on about over 100 pips. Can move stop loss to break if to secure this kind of profit like this. Then allow the trade to run. So our target on GJ, you can sell price, come to this thing, but there's liquidity that's from price fit to create liquidity. We have price giving us, came down. Now, initially, that's why every day we learn more and we advance more in knowledge. Before, I will say, okay, this is change of character, right? This is a break of structure. I will now look at this place as change of character. I will look at this as change of character, which all of us we can say, okay, this is change of character. But it's not actually a change of character because this was just an inducement. This is internal, though maybe an internal change of character, but the earlier you understand the range, the first you want to look at, before you say this is changing character, it means that you have to change from that range. Now, the range where we go up was this low. This is the low we break structure from, and this is our high. So for this guy to become a fully change of character, you should be not here, is here. So anything change of character you see here, we are still inside the 4 hours range. So this is an inducement, the induced price. Now, many people will be buying here. They will be buying here. A lot of people, this or that block, break of structure, they'll come to smaller time frame and put a buy, the thing liquidate them. You can see how price tap into this 4 hour other block. And then, even was 2 hours other block safe. Look at it. So you think that this is a change of character, and now you drop in. We need price to close above here. So above that high. There. But this is my overall target on GJ. So GJ, UJ, they are Awalo, Nigeria, God help us. So that is GJ. Already, I'm already rounding up the network. So, so G-Chef, this guy, I'm still looking at, let's look at it for 4 hours. Okay. Still looking at this guy. It's not, the road is not clear for this guy for me. But let me just mark. Let me delete this. It's not clear yet. When price tap in here, then if I see a bearish confirmation, I will look for a sell. BTC is still just in a locomotion range where we are yesterday. So there's nothing much. DSY, we are still up and down. I'm still looking at DSY to take out this low first before we can release 2K. If we continue bullish on, there's a draw liquidity, there is a key here. So I don't know what DSY is holding, but all I can say that we are still much bearish on DSY. Still much bearish. I think, okay, our card is just doing thing, still hoping for this trade to hit our TP. I'm still holding. So let's see. GBPNZD, okay. This is a good trade also. GBPNZD is a good trade. We have a change of character here. Right, on GBPNZD, we have a demand. I love this. I love this, what this guy did here. Well, it may not, I don't know if this guy will come back here again because I don't think so. So we have this. So I don't think if this guy will come, this is where, but if he come back, then that should be the trade. So I don't know if you come back, this guy will come back there again. But this is a nice setup, a nice trade. So I'll be looking at it, watching this guy. If there's another buy leg that's coming to this zone, then I know that a sell will happen from that supply zone. So this is supply zone. We'll not to sell from. So any leg up, it will induce this one, tap in here, then we can take our shot. So this is what I'll put this, and if price doesn't come back, so be it, then price will come and hit TP here, which is on liquidity. So let's see, as if this format is the same with what's going on with the card, GPP card. So I don't see price already creating a 1 hour lower high. So probability coming here is not there. Price has already get to premium. Not every time price will come to your order block. So that's just it. So this is that's a nice trade that we missed out from. NZD, this. Okay. This one is just doing thing. Nothing much. So there's not that trade. Okay, card lastly. Card. G card. This guy pay me, but is it what it is? It not mitigate my 2 hours order block. And so this draw liquidity to this guy. So let's see how it play out. So I think for my end, that is it for today. Okay, Euro NZD and Euro, nothing on those two. I've checked before. Euro NZD. This guy is bearish. You can see this is where I tap into this anointing and price hit my TP here. So once TP is hit and price has gone back now. So we are still bearish on this guy. but I'm not in the trade again. So the only way we can look at a further one is this low must be taken out. So if this low is taken out, that will give us a break of structure, then we can look for a sell at repricing. So that's it. This really was a very sweet, this sell was a very sweet sell. Because our price change here, price reprice, tap into the supply zone, boom. That was a very good, straightforward sell. This one is just doing thing. Nothing to, but it's more of bullish. Because we are creating a higher high. So this is everything has a demand. So my price drop into that demand. Then if you want to buy, you need a confirmation. When price drop in here, wait for what? A confirmation angular. All right, so that's it for today. Let me quickly revise. Let's check back to it. That what's our dollar hour? This guy doing? Okay. How many? Please, if you take this gold, send one on the chat box. Let me see. How many of us take that gold? Because the gold is already is in profit already. If you take the gold, can you send one on the chat box? How many of you take that gold? The gold, yeah. Okay. You are afraid to take trade. So that was a nice ride. Okay, somebody chat me up now that many of us we are share with the fear to we don't want people to know that we take trade in it. Somebody chat me up now that I took the trade. Oh, where are all my gold digger in this house? Okay, somebody took the gold, the trade. Okay. All right. If it's one person, okay. So I want somebody that took the gold. That's nice, right? I have another G-Chef now. Omiwa. I say for now, G-Chef. I just analyze G-Chef now. I say I'm looking at the price drop to this place to look for a sell opportunity on G-Chef. So here will be what? There's a liquidity that's already created here. So that price will liquidate this place, I can tell you. So as price drop into this, zone, I will not sell immediately. I will look for a reactions, a fractal change, then I can look for a sell. So if I get a sell from there, this are drawn liquidity here, this equal low. This equal low will be our target. So price has given us a target already. So be patient and see we have a shift in market structure here already. So now price is going back, create a liquidity for us. As price tapping into this zone, then we can have a good sell down. Right? So hope we are clear, hope we are good. So whatever I've pointed out some positions for you now to look out for. This chef is number one. Then USD card, we need a reprise. Then before we sell, that's number two. GJ, For now, just leave GJ until prove otherwise. We're not talking about Euro card. Euro and cards, two of them. When you are trading two pairs that's strong together, price, and that's what is happening on this our trade. That is what is happening. When you are trading two pairs that is strong, they'll just be dragging each other in. So you want to pair strong and weak together. So, and that's why we move. Like those happening on GJ now, because GPP is stronger than GJ, and that's how you see momentum. So, gold is pushing up. Gold is pushing up. So, that's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for today. This is 10:02 already. Trade safe and be guided. Please, for all the AGS account holder, check the community. There is a form that chat with Gene up. If you are a funded trader with AGS, chat with Gene up. We add you to a group. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right. Yeah.